nagsasabi sa akin?
Uy, Grace, baka sinaksak si Matthew.
Aba, hindi naman ako si Grace. Ba't ko sasaksakin si Matthew?
Don't let them know your next move.
Hi, I'm Hyatt, and now we're going to discuss to you the string theory and the conceptic zone theory. American sociologist Robert K. Merton applied Durkheim's ideas of anime to criminology. He holds that crime is a function of the conflict between the goals of people have and the means that they can use to legally obtain those goals.
Boss! Meron tayo dyan? Meron. Kunti tutol. Bigyan. Boss! Wala ko. Problema sa buhay.
A person may use illegal drugs to make themselves feel better.
Kuya, ano ka sa maghanap ko mamaya? Mga 5 siguro. Sige pa, dadaanan na lang kita. Sige. Pag naalala ko, may pinapagawa sa amin sa atin ko no. Si Mang Coronel ba? Mahirap ba yun? Tingnan mo. Mukhang mahirap nga to, pre. Kaya ka na, ako bahala dyan, papagawa ko yung pastog to. Gagawin naman ito na tukal na yun. Ito pala si pastog eh.
Gagawin pa ba?
Pastog, hindi mo na assignment namin. Pag di mo ginawa yan, babatukan kita ha. Babalik ka namin hapon. Kami hapon, dapat tapos na yan pagbalik namin. Ay, Pastor, nasan na yung pinagpagawa namin sa'yo? Ito, tapos na yan. Siguro din mong tama ito ah. Ito, parang mali naman ito eh. Mali nga ito. Tor, ayusin mo to. Ayoko nyan. Ayos na yun, ginawa ko na yun eh. Pag di mo inayos yan, bubugbuhin ka namin mamaya.
A student may assault their peers to end the harassment they caused.
Wala akong mahanap na trabaho ngayon ah. Sobrang tumal. Wala akong pampapakain sa pamilya ko. Mag-search na lang kaya ako. Mukhang ayos yun ah. Solid yun ah. Snatch ko na to para may pangkain pamilya ko.
A person who accepts the goal of wealth but rejects the legitimate means of earning it may steal or find other illicit ways to earn money.
Oh, bakit ka malungkot?
Malapit na finals ah.
Nag-aalala kasi ako, baka hindi ko mapasaya yung scholarship ko.
Okay lang yan, may makukuha tayong source.
Ano yun? Ito sakto, dala ko. Pwede ba to?
Pwede yan. Hindi naman nila malalaman eh. A student who struggles to secure a scholarship may engage in delinquent behavior. There are 5 concentric circles or zones, and that there were stable and significant differences that in interzone crime rates. The areas with heaviest concentration of crimes appeared to the transitional inner city zones, where large numbers of foreign-born citizens has settled.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome po, mabuhay.
Hello, miss. Good morning. Ano po yung matututo? Zone 1, or the Central Business District. It is where hotels, offices, businesses, and other commercial activities are in. Zone 2, or the Zone of Transition. It is also known as Gray Zone. It has the tendency to have conversion of land uses. Immediately adjacent to the CBD, it is an area that may be slated for expansion if the business is good. In this zone, land and properties are held for speculation purposes. Zone 3, or the lower income working people. It is where homes or the slums are. Zone 4, or the high-income residences. It is where white-collar or middle-class families reside.
Mas magkano nakikyan mo? 30 tayo. Ulo tayo, para may pangulo na tayo mamaya.
Zone 5, or the commuter zone. It is referring to the suburbs where people work in the center they choose to live.
So
Suspect, nag-aadi kasi maraming problema sa buhay.
Uy, hindi naman.
Suspect, masyadong mabait ka inaabuso.
Uy, hindi naman.
Suspect, nang snatch kasi wala nang makain.
Uy, medyo lang.
Suspect, nag-cheat para makapasa scholarship. Go, hindi.